Euro.
Congratulations, Maya. Now for our first place winner of the first Mayor West Skateboarding Competition, Women's Division, congratulations to Sindulu Serna. Congratulations. Now may we invite all the winners of the women's division to have a quick photo op with our president and Mayor West Gatchalian. Lahat po na nanalo. Sunod na po yung mga winners ng mural contest din po. Punta rin po sa harap for a group photo op with President Harry Perez and Mayor West Gatchalian.
They will be joined by our sports coordinator,